Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Copeland's Builders, where we take your dreams and turn them into reality. Today, we are going to be working on the front and back porch of the cabin and hopefully getting ready for the trusses. The first thing we have to do is mount the post brackets to the concrete. We are using our hammer drill and a 3/16 inch drill bit to drill into the concrete. With our impact drill, we are installing 1.5 1/4 inch drive tap cons to securely fasten it to the concrete. After installing all the brackets, it's time for the posts. Then we use 3-inch screws to fasten the bracket to the post. We mark our posts 1.5 inches in on both sides. We set our skill saw blade at 1.5 inch depth and cut the bottom lines. Then we use the chainsaw to cut down through the post. It is much faster this way. All the posts are notched and we can install our front header. We use our level to level our posts. We are using a double 2x10 header. Our header is sitting right in the 1.5 inch notches that we put on the post. We are fastening our headers with 5-inch ledger locks. Now that we have the front header on and all braced up, it's time to move to the back. These posts are twice as long because we're also going to have a back deck on top of the patio. We're nailing our floor joist to our ledger board. We use the level to level out to our post. Holding our floor joist on our level mark, we level our post. We're using 2x10 floor joists, spaced 16 on center. We are tacking it on there with 3-inch deck screws. We have all our floor joists screwed to our ledger board, but we still need to install our joist hangers. So we just repeat what we did in the front with the headers and do it in the back. We try to split our header in the middle of the post. Because our heel height is so high, we have to nail these 2.5 inch by 2 foot boards to nail our trusses to. Okay, we are finally ready for the trusses. Because of the size and the awkwardness of these trusses, we had to get a crane to get them lifted up there. Rick has a rope tied to the one side of the truss so he can try to help guide it into place where it needs to go. The flat part of the bottom truss goes on our header and over to our wall and makes the ceiling for our porch roof. The second truss goes on our front header and then attaches at the peak to our first truss. There's two of these scabs that go on the peak of the trusses, one on each side, and sandwiches it in and makes the top of the truss really strong. We screw them together using 3-inch ledger locks. That concludes our video today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. But before we go, I would like to ask you if there's anything that you would like us to build or show on our video. If you do, please put in the comments below and we will try to put it on. Thank you.